I'm the last one? Do it.
Alright, good morning everybody. We just had breakfast. It is next day, is day number 2. We've got Open Championship team. Casino's down that way. Let's go down that way. So we have team competition later today. I had the Bowler's Journal last night. Shot 617, so not enough to cash in my division, but I bowled doubles with Billy, and we are going to cash it. That's pretty cool. But Papa and I are going to do some gambling this morning before we get to the lanes later today. Marissa's actually flying out to Anchorage later today from Dallas, so I'll pick them up, or I'll see them in Alaska tomorrow night when I fly. But for now, it is day 2 competition, team event later today. We're going to do some gambling. Hopefully, you're going to win some money. All right, Papa's first. Okay. Ooh, that's a good one. All right. You gotta hit the play button. There you go. Oh. There we go. Nice. Big one. There you go. Big piggy now. Oh, look at that. Oh. One more spin. Come on, big ones. There we go. Nice. Look at the size of that piggy. Good luck. Here we go. 50. 50. Here we go. Oh, got to push play. It's special. Uh-oh, here it comes.
Big money, big money.
Oh, the mini bonus. Oh, the minor.
Morning.
Morning. I'm okay, thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you. Oh, look, you got a minor. 50 bucks, Papa.
Good luck, Ben.
Thank you. 50 bucks.
All right.
That's good because we have been losing all yesterday. 100% loss. All right, I finally got my bonus. Let's see what we got here, huh? Start feature. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on, don't leave me this one more. There we go, there we go, there we go. Ooh, if I get 15, I get the grand, which is 11,000. All right. What we got, huh? No. No, come on. That was not good. Alright, well, you know what? I only bet 50 cents, so I'll take it. Alright, second time now. I bet $1 this time, so let's see. Come on, big money. There we go. Let me get some of these minors, major. Yeah, let's just go for the grand, why not? Huh? Oh, the $2. Come on, give me the major. Major. There we go. 3 more spins. Come on, baby. Here we go. 3 more. Oh, 2 more. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Ah, okay, what do we got? didn't even see the $15 one. Hey, 42 bucks. I'll take that. Alright, so that is where we end up walking out, right there. This is the staging area, so you come in and you show your balls right there. You just want me to do that. They make sure everything looks okay. And then this is the staging area. So what you do is you find your lane. Right here, what lane you're on. We are on 61 and 62. So these are our pair right there. I actually think we have this whole thing. It's just us from Texas. So anyways, got about a couple hours, but we decided to go ahead and get everything done. Checked in. There's bowling balls. So yeah, next time you see us, we'll be taking a picture and walking out. All right, go get him, 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 come on. All right, Papa, go get him. Okay. Go get him, go get him. Mila. There we go. All right, so I started off with the 191, caught a good run, and I shot 225 for the second game. About to start with game 3, Supernova to start, polished. Then I went to the Zen. And it's burning out some, and I am switching to the exotic gem. So hopefully that works out, because I don't have anything else after that. All right, I just got done with team. I showed you my first 2 games, and my last game was a 171. Yeah, left a lot of pins on the table. I had a couple of splits that really just kind of derailed my game. But 592 for team. It's not horrible, not the best. Definitely could have shot 6, but that's okay. So anyways, we got doubles and singles tomorrow. I'm gonna end the vlog there. We got a team dinner, and then we're gonna do some gambling. So I will pick you up tomorrow for the minors. Have a great day. Have a magical day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. All right, good morning, everybody. It is day number 3 of our trip. We are bowling the... Hey, you got a 12. That gave me money. All right. One more on the pass line. See right there? Yeah, there you go. All right, good morning, everybody. Day number 3 of our trip here in Reno for the USBC Open Championship. We've got doubles and singles today. Papa and I are sporting new American flag shirts. It is kind of July 4th weekend, so you're up again. So we're playing a little electronic craps. Papa's hitting 7 winner Papa. So we're playing some craps this morning before we get started. So you're gonna hit the pass line again. No, hit the yep, right there. Wait, you gotta wait till it starts moving. Anyway, so yeah, so we got double single. It's the harder pattern of the 2. So should be interesting. It's the same pattern. I bowled at the Bowler's Journal and I did pretty well. 7 again, Papa! Look at that, all right. Papa's winning us some money! But yeah, so anyways, we're gonna hang out here for a minute. I'll catch you when we get to the bowling stadium here.
so let me catch you up to speed. I finished team competition, or doubles and singles. Did horrible. Had a fun time though. So went back to the room to change. Found out my flight was canceled or delayed out of Reno, Salt Lake City, which means my flight from Seattle to Anchorage is delayed, which means I'm going to miss my connection. I don't remember to get there, so I'm here at the airport trying to figure out what to do. There is a Alaska Airlines flight that goes through Portland. It gets me in at midnight, which I'm going to try to get on, but I honestly have no idea what's going on. And I hate being stressed out like this because it stresses Marissa out. And you know, anyways, I'm here at the airport. I'm hopefully going to try to figure out what's going on. We can get out of here. I don't know why it's delayed. I don't know if there's weather, maintenance, what, I have no idea. Alright, I was able to get on a flight to Portland and then do Anchorage on Alaska. I was in the lounge for a couple hours, so everything looks to be okay. But yeah, I will pick you up in Portland. Portland has a nice airport, so kind of excited about this one. I don't think I've ever come down a jetway before like this. Thanks for the ride. That was pretty cool. All right, I just touched down in Portland. One more flight to go, 3.5 hours to Anchorage, and I will be with Marissa and the kids for a week. Marissa already got the RV, which I'll show you right here. But yeah, so huge fiasco out of Reno. Delta Airlines was delayed. It's gonna miss my connection. Caught a flight to Portland. And now I'm going Portland, Anchorage. So I got an hour layover here in Portland, and then I'll head over to Anchorage. So I will probably pick you up at Anchorage. There's really nothing to see. Portland is a pretty sweet airport though. It's one of my favorite ones to fly into. So way better than Seattle. All right, next flight to Anchorage. 3.5 hours later, I will be there. Alrighty, we are in Anchorage, Alaska. I'm finally here. It's midnight. It's 12:07, and I need to find a cab to get to the house, sister-in-law's house. So I don't even know where I'm at. If I ended the vlog before, I don't know where I'm at. I'm so tired, so I'm gonna end it here. Thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for watching all the bowling stuff. If you're interested in all the Alaska stuff, that's going to start in the next one. So with that being said, see you guys later. It's midnight. We're going to go to the house and go to bed. Bye-bye.